If you're looking to personalize job postings on Top Echelon and make them stand out to the right candidates, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know how to craft job listings that attract quality talent and maximize your results on the platform. Now, before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can access Top Echelon for free through the first link below, and with our exclusive bonuses, you can get started without any commitment. Stick around till the end, and I'll tell you how you can unlock an extended free trial to give you even more time to explore this powerful tool. When it comes to personalizing job postings on Top Echelon, the first step is to make sure you're reaching the right audience. Top Echelon allows you to customize job descriptions so they appeal to specific candidate pools. Whether you're hiring for technical roles or more creative positions, this software lets you tailor your job postings by adjusting language, required skills, and even location preferences. Start by navigating to the Post a Job section of your dashboard. You'll be prompted to enter basic information like job title, description, and location. The key to standing out is customization. Don't just copy-paste a generic job description. Instead, make sure it speaks directly to the type of person you want to hire. Think about what skills and qualities are critical for success in that role and emphasize those in your description. One thing that's great about Top Echelon is its ability to let you include specific keywords that align with the types of candidates you want to attract. This ensures that your job posting shows up in relevant searches. This is especially helpful for niche roles where you might need to reach a smaller, more specialized group of professionals. By strategically using keywords like remote, leadership, or data analytics, you increase the chances of matching with the right candidates. Additionally, Top Echelon gives you the ability to set custom application questions. This is an excellent way to filter candidates based on specific qualifications or experience. For example, if you're hiring for a project management role, you can ask applicants to describe their experience with project tracking software, ensuring only qualified candidates apply. Another way to personalize job postings on Top Echelon is by utilizing the software's template library. If you're posting for similar roles often, creating a custom template can save you time and maintain consistency across your listings. You can adjust these templates as needed, ensuring they stay relevant and up to date. Having a streamlined process like this helps you post jobs more efficiently so you can focus on what matters, finding the right candidates. Lastly, don't forget to use Top Echelon's analytics features. After posting a job, you can track how well it's performing. If you notice certain aspects of the posting aren't attracting the right attention, you can easily tweak your content to make it more appealing. This is one of the most powerful ways to ensure your job postings are always optimized for the best results. Remember, personalizing your job postings is about more than just adjusting text. It's about speaking directly to the candidates you want, using the right keywords, asking the right questions, and making the process as efficient as possible. And again, if you want to start using Top Echelon for free, make sure to check out the first link below for an exclusive offer. You'll get full access to the software, and I'll also share how you can get an extended free trial by the end of the video. Now that you know how to personalize your job postings, take action and start creating listings that really stand out.